If you're trying to lucid dream, there's a high chance you're missing out on results just by how you're using your dream journal. Hi, my name's Ashton. I've been dream journaling for about 3 years, with pauses, but still. And let me break down for you the 12 mistakes that I made that had been blocking my results to lucid dream. First of all, not tracking dream signs. Being lazy and not tracking your dream signs is the number one thing that is stopping you from lucid dreaming. Dream signs are the essential part of getting you aware in your dream that you are dreaming, because you notice these different patterns and things that happen in your dreams and associate them with bringing awareness to them and doing reality checks when you hear, feel, see, or think about them. And when you see them in your dreams, your awareness level really increases, so you get to actually directly increase the chances of you getting lucid into your dreams. And the way you do this is by creating a section in your dream journal for your dream signs, and use symbols and types of underlining and things like that, so that you can easily categorize them with the pen. So basically, whenever you encounter a dream sign from your dreams, just highlight it in the way that you find appropriate, and then also like here, just write it down and then put down what kind of underlining or highlight or symbol you used, and do it with a pen, because using your different utensils different tools, unless you are a creating person and you already love just doing much stuff with your dream journal, then if you're a lazy person, do it with a pen so that you don't have to switch out for highlighters or pens or pencils or anything like that. Second one, not tracking progress. Not tracking progress is the number one thing that I noticed was completely ruining my improvement in lucid dreaming practices and also my motivation to keep going. Because I was not seeing myself improving, I was not seeing the results, the things that had changed, and I also couldn't make any conclusions on how I can improve my practices. So right now I have these stickers with my dream journal, but what I do now is, after I journal my dreams, I also track what techniques I had attempted and whether or not they were successful. I track these 4 main things: the amount of dreams remembered, the sleep hours that I had, the vividness, from 0 to 5 stars, I track that in my dreams in general, and also sleep quality. And then after a while, in the middle of a journal, I do a checkpoint where I analyze how have I improved, how much dreams I have remembered in the first few weeks and now in the last few weeks. Also vividness, and also the amount of lucid dreams that I have had. And then I see which dream signs have been the most prominent and least prominent, which practices have been most effective and most ineffective, and potential also some struggles that I'm struggling with regarding my practices, and then solutions on how to improve that. This is really important, that you actually write down what you're struggling with and think about how you can solve that, how you can improve, not just, I'm not getting lucid and that's it. All I have to do is do more and more and more, when in reality you could be doing a few more things to help yourself. Like, for example, I'm going to give you what I did in my dream journal. So my biggest challenges when it came to lucidity was consistency and not waking up early enough. And I could have just gone with this, just these are my issues and that's it, and I'm just going to keep journaling, keep trying. But since I started journaling my potential solutions and how you could improve, I came up with a few ideas, like, for example, consuming more lucid dreaming content to get inspired again, setting reminders for myself, and also trying out a wild technique to kind of bring myself that excitement again of trying new things, and it really lift up my motivation. So that's really important and also just seeing how many dreams I have remembered. At the start it was like 2 or 3 dreams, and now I'm just journaling 7 to 9 dreams every single morning. That is so awesome to see, and just really motivates you to keep going, to keep improving. And if you don't track these things, if you don't keep any notes on how your progress is going, you're just going to miss out completely on that part. This also goes together with the number 3 mistake, not reviewing your journal, not going back to it. And if you're not tracking your dream signs, if you're not tracking your progress, there's no reason for you to really go back. You open your dream journal and you see blocks and blocks of text who wants to go through that? Like, fine, yes, it's your dreams and it might be interesting, but I feel like, at least for me, it wasn't really interesting that much because, okay, yeah, it's my dreams. I remember some of them anyways. Like, I'm gonna just read through them all and that's it. It just seems like a waste of time, you know? But if you have these dream signs and these progress and these also some important things that are worth analyzing later, like highlighted, then you get to take these things and actually start thinking and collecting this information, and it all seems so much more useful and important to you. And it motivates you to actually go back to your previous entries and notice any patterns and things that have occurred and also analyze your dreams, because not only this will help you lucid dream, but also in your daily life in general, just analyzing your dreams, seeing anything that's important and rereading them, remembering them, noticing maybe any new stuff or any predictions that your subconscious might have given you in the past for the future. Number 4, not using your dream journal to set intentions. Your dream journal shouldn't be something that you use just in the mornings, shouldn't be just a morning thing. You can use it in the evenings as well. Open up your dream journal. This will also help you go to sleep without a phone. Open up your dream journal and start thinking, what techniques can you try tonight? What intentions do you want to set? What do you want to do in your lucid dreams? What affirmations you can write to increase your chances of getting lucid? Or even remembering your dreams the next morning. Like, write down, tonight I will remember my dreams. Or tonight I will become aware in my dreams. And use this evening subconscious access and your journal to program your subconscious to want to lucid dream tonight, and to know that this is your goal and this is where you're going to. Intentions are extremely, extremely powerful. And for my journal, my stickers really help with that, because I write the date down the evening before so that in the morning I already have this date set up and I don't have to think about it. Oh, what day today is it? I can just start writing and have this in my mind that, okay, I already have the sticker in, I need to fill in the sticker, I need to fill in the entry. What you can do here without the stickers is write down a date already the evening before. And as I said, think about your intentions, the techniques you could use, your goals, and leave a page that you have to do as a requirement every single morning. And if you don't do it, skip that page. Leave it blank. Give yourself this sort of punishment to form your habit. This is really useful, okay? And if you actually want a journal like this with stickers and everything, then I actually have created the full design, and I really, really want to bring it to life. And I've started a crowdfunding campaign to bring my dreams to reality and help other people get lucid as well. So if you're interested, check the first link in the description. I would highly appreciate it. Number 5, not recording emotions. I kept forgetting to do this at all times. I still do sometimes, but what I've noticed is this helps you understand how you feel about certain things in your dreams, helps you analyze yourself, your triggers, and also helps you get lucid, because you get more aware of your inner sense of self in your dreams. So you can increase your awareness and mindfulness of your physical being in your environment, but emotions, this inner sense of self and what you feel, this awareness is sometimes missing, and understanding your emotions and how you feel in your dreams can really bring awareness to that and increase your chances of getting lucid. Number 6, not writing in present tense. Present tense, as it turns out, engages your memory a lot more through what you are writing. Writing in past tense makes them seem distant and something that is gone, but as you're writing in your present tense, you get to kind of experience those dreams again and engage your awareness and memory a lot more. Number 7, not drawing. Whoever told you that you can draw is wrong. Whoever told you that you're not an artist is wrong. You can literally just do the simplest sketches, even stickmans, in your dream journal. And this also helps you engage memory a lot more. And it's just fun, honestly, to look back at it and to see the different images that you might have had, because once you see even the shittiest sketch that you have drawn, your memory is going to remember what it was about and see this beautiful image of your dreams, which is a really cool thing to just have in your journal and to analyze as well. Not to mention that some details can't be put into words, and some scenery just takes so long to describe with words, so just draw it out, engage your memory. Also draw maps, familiar places, dream signs, some patterns or spots that you visit often in your dreams or that recur in your dreams. Here I can show you a small recent drawing that I did for my dream, and it's just so nice to have, and also analyze about why I could have been seeing this, why this environment had appeared in my dream. So there you go. Wait, I don't know if it will focus, but this is basically the sun, and there's a road and forest, and this leads to a playground in a field. And yeah, this was one of the dreams that told me that I need to go out and touch grass more. Number 8, not writing down dream goals. Goals are important for your life, for everything, so that you feel like there's an aim, there's a goal, and that you are moving towards it. And your brain kind of takes that and starts analyzing information and things connected to your goal. So it starts consuming things and synthesizing them in a way that can help you reach where you want to go. So having these goals set in place can motivate you and also help you improve and get to your goals faster. Get to what you want to do in your lucid dreams. Like here I have a list of dream goals under my streak tracker. One of them is fly, use a flying board, talk to myself, get advice from universe, and dance on a big stage. So those are my goals. Comment your dream goals down below. I want to see them. Number 9 is also something that I already talked about before, not highlighting important details that are worth analyzing later. I myself circle them and not even going back to them afterwards. I immediately start thinking about what they could mean, how they could help me. Let me see if I can find an example here in my own dream journal. Oh, there it is. So in high school, I used to have horrible social anxiety. I did not talk to anyone. I wasn't loud at all. I was the quiet kid. And here I have done a lot to improve since that, and I've become somewhat of more of an extrovert than introvert, actually. Like, I've done a lot of work. And here I had a nice dream where I was back in high school, and when everyone started singing, even the trouble kids started singing, and I joined in and was almost the loudest person in the room, and I surprised myself very nicely, and everyone liked it, and this was sort of like a healing moment for me in that dream. It kind of helped me heal from what I felt like I was missing out on in high school, and yeah, just made me feel proud of myself for what I have achieved and how far I've gone. So that's one of the examples that I have right here. And if I had completely missed that and not interpreted that, then I might have just been going through life unaware of myself and my achievement and not taken conscious pride in myself. Like, it might have been subconsciously healing me a little bit, but bringing that to your awareness makes it 10 times more powerful. Number 10, not using a physical dream journal. An app just won't do. Like, if you're maybe one of those rare people when hell yeah, like an app is just completely, absolutely working for you, you're lucid dreaming every single week, good for you. But physical journaling just does so much more for your memory, and it has been proven by research. It just engages your memory a lot more and helps you also analyze things more slowly and engage yourself a lot more. Same was with just normal journaling. Physical journaling is just so much better to talk with yourself through writing, and not just write down your thoughts and then just leave them be, but to actually reflect and keep engaging in this productive conversation with yourself. Also gives you all the freedom that you need to customize what you're journaling, how you're doing it, and also just makes it a much more aesthetic and nice experience in the morning with yourself, not to mention the blue light that just disrupts your melatonin completely and also kind of ruins your mornings, because then you are also likely to get distracted and get notifications and also start checking other stuff after journaling, which is just not healthy to do in the mornings. Number 11, not journaling missed lucid moments. If you almost get lucid, or you should have gotten lucid, but you didn't, you should figure out why. And you should write down, oh, here was the perfect chance for me to get lucid, and why didn't I? And then improve on that. And also do reality checks while you journal that, so that you reframe this sort of mistake and make it better so that your brain then starts using this reprogramming into the next time that you dream, basically. Number 12, not tracking sleep patterns. There are many vile techniques that use your sleep patterns, but also just knowing your sleep patterns can help you get a much deeper insight into how your dreams happen, when your dreams happen, and when is the best time for you to just wake up in general, so that you don't wake up out of deep sleep, out of light sleep, but you wake up after a dream where you would be getting awake anyways, and where your dream recall is the strongest. You don't need any fancy apps or tech gadgets to do that. Simply take your journal and redraw this in your journal. Here, 4 pillars: awake, REM sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep, and the hours of sleep. So every time you wake up, just journal which hour it is that you woke up and how do you feel. Did you just come out of a dream? Were you still dreaming? Were you in the middle of a dream? Did you start dreaming? Were you in your light sleep, so you wake up just energized, feeling great, amazing? Or were you in your deep sleep, so when you wake up feeling groggy and just not very nice? And it doesn't even have to be like your natural wake-up times. It can be with an alarm or anything like that. So simply just open your journal in which you would be writing in anyways and just put a dot there, or like some sort of range where you feel like you were. So those were my mistakes, and fixing them helped me go from a few times of lucid dreams per year to 1 to 2 times per month. And yeah, sounds a little, but I'm the kind of person that's just built biologically to have a hard time lucid dreaming. I haven't had lucid dreams since childhood, and I just struggle to do it no matter what. So take it relatively, not absolutely. And yeah, if you want a journal like this that will help you make the most out of your journaling practice and have everything in it already, and require as little effort as possible to actually journal every single day and do it as good as possible, then yeah, check out the link in the description. It is available for pre-order right now because I'm trying to get the funding going and trying to, make my dream come true and help lucidify the dreams of other people. So let me know in the comments if you're making any of these mistakes or if this was helpful for you. Give me your feedback. I will read your comments, and like and subscribe, obviously, if you want to see more content like this. And go and apply what you learned, and see you in the next one.